In this quick course, you will learn how to upload GitLab sample files for the Universal Connector application in BMC AMI DevOps for Db2. Before you begin, make sure that you have downloaded the Universal Connector package from the BMC EPD website. For more information about downloading the package and preparing the environment, see the product documentation and related quick courses in the video description. To begin, open your project in GitLab. Select the default branch menu, and then choose the branch you want to use. To create the required folders, click the plus menu and select New Directory. In the Commit Changes dialog box, enter the directory name, Demo Samples. Enter a commit message if needed, select the branch where you want to create the directory, and then click Commit Changes. Repeat this process to create another folder. In the directory name field, enter Demo Properties. Enter a commit message if needed. Select the branch where you want to create the directory, and then click Commit Changes. To upload the plugin properties file, open the Demo Properties directory. Click the plus menu, and then select Upload File. Drag the AMI DevOps properties file or browse to its location. This file is located in the GitLab CI folder within the extracted Universal Connector package. Enter a commit message if needed, select the appropriate branch, and then click Commit Changes. The properties file is now available in the Demo Properties directory. To upload multiple sample configuration and pipeline files, open GitLab Web IDE. In your GitLab project, click the Code menu, and then select Web IDE. In a new browser tab, GitLab Web IDE opens. Select the Demo Samples folder, right-click it, and select Upload. Browse to the sample configuration and pipeline YAML files. These files are located in the AMI DevOps sample folder within the GitLab CI directory of the extracted Universal Connector package. Select all sample configuration and pipeline files for upload. The sample configuration and pipeline files are now available in the Demo Samples folder. To commit and push the changes, select the branch section in the left menu. You will see 12 changes, based on the uploaded files. Enter a commit message. Then click Commit and Push to Branch. The uploaded sample configuration and pipeline files are now available in the Demo Samples directory. You now have the sample files required for configuration, which is explained in another quick course. Thank you for your time. For more information about any BMC mainframe product, check the video description for links to documentation and related videos.